All right, y'all, we're gonna do a quick little cold start video of this thing. It's cold. We're pushing late high 40s, so about 50 degrees. Now these things don't have a primer, so it takes a minute to spin to get that fuel to go up that intake. It's just cold as it can get. This thing has been sitting, hasn't started, so this is the hardest it's gonna ever be to start. I'm not even gonna sit in it and touch the throttle with my feet. Full choke. We'll send it. We kind of slowly feather the old choke on. Takes a little while to warm up, but once you warm, it's fine. And normally you'd be sitting in it, you can kind of goose the throttle if it starts to get kind of low idle. Because if you just shut the choke off now, it'll struggle to idle. It's cold. But yeah, just let it run. And I mean, you could jump in it right now and drive it, but let it warm up a little bit. These motors, these pumps are cold-blooded. A lot of compression, you can hear it. Alright, there you go. Don't want to make a video too long. That's it.